Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny again, and today we are reviewing, and nonetheless, a Christian app called Glorify. As a Christian person who enjoys devotional every morning, I have been looking for different ways to do it. I currently use 3 apps, consecutive apps doing it. I'm looking for alternatives where it could combine everything. So I am excited to review this app. So if you're also curious to see that, why don't we just jump right in? Okay, so when you get into this app, Glorify, you will see this toggle feature over here, and you could just swipe it to see what is included. So first of all, daily worship, Bible readings, curated devotionals, reflections, and prayers. Ooh, that sounds very intriguing. Okay, and then there's prayers, create your own prayer list, keep prayers private, so that is really cool feature. I'm really excited to explore that. And then when you go to, there's listen, take a deep breath, and delve into the mindful sounds. Cool. Okay, progress tracking. So there's a lot of really cool features in here that it's really intriguing for me to actually sign up. So this is very neat. Okay, so I don't have an account yet, so we're gonna go into join Glorify. Let's go in. Okay, so you could join by putting your phone number in or through Apple, because as you could clearly see, this is iOS over here. And then you could use Facebook or continue with email. So let's join using email today. All right, so putting in my email, it has a toggle feature of I am 13 and above, and then continue with email. Okay, I'm gonna choose my password, and then it asks me, what's my name? Pre-select right over here, Jenny, and then profile picture. I don't want to add it today, so I'll just do finish. Oop. Oh wow, I did not know I already had one, so let's go back to my old account. I'll be right back. So I just signed in, and wow, this just popped up. Grow closer to God. Our relationship with God is very much like a tree. When nurtured, growing strong roots and flourishes, bear fruit. Okay, cool. What does that mean? Okay, wow. So this is a neat way to show the notification. I really love this. This is really cool. I'm just gonna say I don't need help for now, because that just means notification. Okay, plant your seed. That is really cool. Like, you get to see the plant grow. I love that. I mean, it's not really a big difference between UX, but I love that. Oh, so you could share the quote. There's a lot to do when you're onboarding on this app though. If you want to share, you just click on this for your message share, or you could just tap here to continue. And here we are. Ooh, so I made this account long time ago, because I always see over here that, you know, my profile photo was like long time ago photo. But this is cool to know. I've been excited to try new apps other than just Bible apps, so this is really cool. Let's do a walkthrough. Okay, so you have daily quote you read, there's a passage, you have option of doing listen or read, and then let's do devotional as a read, listen or read. So, and then reflection, also you could just start. Oh, this is really cool. Bonus goals, this is locked because you need a premium. But this is all the features that's available for free versions, so it's really cool. And then let's go into the navigations over here. Let's look closer. As usual, we love this, don't we? With icons, yet with the words, so we know what each icon, what it means. Definitely great UX. I also love how you could see like on the home page of whatever is going on that day. But I also love seeing that I could do listen. And then, okay, so let's go back. So you could do listen, and then Bible, and then today. And okay, so the home page is today. Gotcha. And then prayers. Okay, cool. So, and then journal. All right, cool. So today is like the summary, and it's a main feature. So on those days that you don't have time, or at the time, then you could just like do quickly. Let's do, if I did like something like this, what does it lead to? Oh, that's neat. So a lot of apps actually take you out of this app, and then it's integrated with the Bible app. But instead of doing that, this is a completely different app. I love this. And then you could tap anywhere. Wow, this is neat. Wow. Okay. You just need to tap to get to another verse, and it's super easy to read. Wow. And then you could complete the passage. That is neat. Oh, and I got a check mark. That is so cool. And then if you wanted to listen, you could choose voices too. Okay, wow, that sounds very cool. I love that. And then reflection. Oh wait, it unlocked. Hold on. I guess it wasn't a premium feature. Oh, wow. Wow, I'm about to update my devotionals each day. Oh, okay. So if you do devotional, you get this 1 day streak. Okay, your plant grew. My seed grew. Okay, so that is pretty cool. Okay, continue. Okay, so I guess I was wondering what this was, and then now I know because it's just seed. Okay, that is so cool. It's very motivating. I think this app is really good at motivating people, which is what you want for a devotional app. And then obviously if you want to listen more, there's more. And in the times that you need something, this is really nice. This is really well made. I am impressed. Wow. So thoughts of the day. Okay, let's click on one of them. What is it? Thought of the day, we're exploring money, financial wisdom. Okay, start. So there's narration for that too. This is incredible. This is a free app? What? Wow. And then you could choose between mind and music. Wow, there's so many options. Wow, I am impressed. Wow, so cool. All right, so as I said earlier, Glorify app is quite great. I think honestly, for me personally, it combines all the apps that I currently use. It does the scriptures. You have option of whether to read it or listen. It does the meditation. It does extra layers of unlocking feature, which is you have to do progress of like looking through and running through. And I love how I could get Word of God every day easily in one spot instead of connecting between apps or having multiple apps. So with that said, I give 5 out of 5 user flow. I loved it so much. I look forward to using it. I'm gonna also, convince my friends and family to use it. I'm so excited to use it, and I'm excited to talk about it with them. Okay, so my favorite part of the app is I love how the today's page shows the scripture, the meditation, every single study of the word, so that your devotional is one spot and one place. It's so easy. It's also easy to see what you've done and what you've felt. So that's a really great. My least favorite part of the app. I don't think I have any, because also these are free features. I think it's really great. My wish list, I think it's to connect with my friends and family. So it'd be nice if I could connect them more, but that's just up to me, I would think. Not really particularly with this app. Maybe like different versions of the scripture. That's probably the wish list. So just to have it in, versatile and all sorts of app. Ooh, what I also noticed when I was using it though, this meditation part of it, the sound of the narrator versus the actual music didn't really match well or mesh well. So I think that's something improvement, but I can't wait to show you that in the next video of how I actually use it. So thanks for watching. I hope this review video gave you a little insight about Glorify app. If you're also a Christian like me, comment below and let's just connect. Okay, let's create this community, or let's continue this community of believers. I would love to chat, so let me know. If you also have other recommendations, then please let me know as well. If this video helped you, then please thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for more app reviews as such. It was me, Jenny, and talk soon. Bye.